Here I have Suzuki Vitara, and let me show you how to manage traffic jam info to show on the following car. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen of the Suzuki Infotainment system. Let's select here the settings, so this gear icon. From the list of settings, let's choose here map settings, and now you need to scroll down a few times to find traffic jam info to show. So this acts as a filter for traffic data. You can tap here to choose the filter. So right now I'm using the maximum level. The system will process and display traffic information for all road types, from major highways to small city streets. If you only cared about highway traffic, you could change it into the motorways only. You can also choose a local road only or don't show at all. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.